guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Anupriya and I hope you all are doing great. So here I am with another video, and this video is quite different, and this is another thing which I'm doing first time on my channel. So I'll be talking about some of my favorite or non-favorite empty bottles of products. Now I've been using them since from 2 months I believe, and I have got my hands on them earlier as well, but some of them I have loved, like oh my god, the results are so good, so freaking nice, and my skin love those products. But some of them are quite not good, actually very bad if I put it straight. So yeah, I thought that I'll be doing this video, and I have used them properly. I've finished the bottles and I know how exactly they work for my skin and how exactly good are they going to be if you are planning to buy them. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Now I have my first product with me. This one is from VLCC, and this one is their moisturizer, body moisturizer. Now this one claims that it is deep nourishing and skin brightening body lotion, and its one is in the almond honey, but I really didn't like this one at all. I mean, my skin is Sahara Desert, I always like to say this, but if you talk about what it does nothing to my skin. Talk about the moisturization, so I'll give like 2 out of 10. It's quite greasy also when I apply this, so I don't know, it didn't work for me with like dry skin. I don't think this is going to help you. Alright, now the second product is my favorite one, and it's from Kama Ayurveda. So I got my hands on these. You can check my review video on these on my channel. I'll put that link in the description box. Now it's their Kama Ayurveda Rejuvenating and Brightening Ayurvedic Night Cream. Although it says the night cream, but I always like, sometimes I tend to apply it in daytime as well, because it's keep my skin like super hydrated and super supple. But the only problem I had with this one is that it's quite thick in the consistency, so I wanted a moisturizer for daily routine as well. So I think it's good, like you are visiting some kind of a party or has an event or something, so go with this. Makeup glides so well on this. I mean, your skin will love this one. I will definitely try my hands on this again, but for now I'm switching to some other moisturizers as well. But yeah, if you're someone who has like a normal skin and oily skin, you can definitely try this one out. It is such a stunning piece again. Alright, so the third product I'm talking about is from Dot & Key. It's the vitamin C serum. I've raved about this product so much on my channel and also on my Instagram. If you haven't followed me, please go and check my Instagram page right away. It's Anupriya_diaries. You can follow me. I put daily updates over there. Okay, so coming back to this product, I'm so impressed with this one, but I didn't buy the second bottle because I wanted to try the Sugandha vitamin C serum. But definitely if that product is not going to work out for me, I will go back to this one. This is very hydrating, very soft on your skin, and I really loved it. Alright, now the fourth product is a moisturizer. I love that moisturizer so much. I have used tubs of that, and also you must have seen this one in my recent Nykaa haul wala video. I have bought another tub, and I'm talking about this one, the Pond's Super Light Gel wala moisturizer. Now this is so good on my skin. The people with dry skin, normal skin, oily skin can go with this moisturizer, and then there is no going back, trust me. Go try this and you will thank me later. So the next product that I'm going to talk about is this one. This one is the Mamaearth Under Eye Cream. Now this says that it's for the dark circles, and I am the best person to give you review about this one. Now about the Mamaearth as a brand, I really love them, but if you talk about this particular product, it did nothing for me, like nothing, absolutely nothing. Talk about their shampoo, I am currently using them. One of my friend gifted me and I am trying their onion oil conditioner and shampoo, and they are quite good for my hair, so in that category they did justice. But if you talk about this product, it has done nothing for me and I'm not going to buy this at all. Alright, so the next product is again from Kama Ayurveda, another favorite product of mine, and this one is their rose water. Now I've used this bottle completely. I have so many bottles and I really can't tell you how much I love this product. If you are in search of good rose water, authentic real rose water, go for this one. If you are in search for any toner, go for this one. It is so good for summer. Yeah, it's a must buy and I'll keep going to this forever. Alright, so the last product in my empty section is from Nykaa and it's their tea tree oil. Now tea tree oil is something which helps you in get rid of inflammation, or you have kind of a breakouts. I really don't get pimples that much, but sometimes I do get breakouts and I really don't like them. So what I like to do with this product, I dilute it with water and apply it at affected area. You must have seen about this one in my recent Nykaa haul as well. This bottle is completed. I have bought another bottle and I'm so in love with this one. It will get rid of that breakout in an overnight, and I can swear on this, trust me. Alright, so this is an amazing buy, going to it again and again. So these were all my products, and some of them I'm really going to try them again and I'll buy them definitely, but some of them are just washed away from my list. So yeah, so this was about this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite and which one is not. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video, and also follow me on my Instagram handle. So yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.